ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful AI assistant that can help you learn new skills, get expert advice on any topic, automate tedious tasks, and even build full software applications from scratch. Welcome back to 10x Your Income. In this in-depth video guide, I will show you exactly how anyone, even complete beginners, can leverage ChatGPT to turn their ideas into functioning products. We will code a real working app together and cover all the key fundamentals you need to unleash your creativity with this game-changing AI. So get ready to say goodbye to programming fears and self-doubt. You're about to become a builder. Before we start using ChatGPT to build great things, let's quickly go over what ChatGPT actually is and how you can get started using it. What is ChatGPT? At a high level, ChatGPT is an AI system created by OpenAI that can understand natural human language and generate helpful responses to your questions and commands. Some key capabilities of ChatGPT are conversational. You interact with ChatGPT through an intuitive chat interface by simply typing questions and prompts. Knowledgeable. ChatGPT has been trained on a massive amount of data and can provide detailed explanations, advice, and analysis on topics ranging from history and literature to programming and mathematics. Creative. In addition to answering questions, ChatGPT can also generate original ideas, suggestions, and even full articles, stories, translations, code, and more based on your prompts. Helpful. Whether you're looking to solve a coding bug, improve your writing skills, brainstorm ideas for a new startup, or simply need an expert second opinion, ChatGPT makes an excellent assistant. In short, think of ChatGPT like your very own teacher, mentor, and collaborator rolled into one endlessly patient and knowledgeable AI. Getting access using ChatGPT is completely free and remarkably easy to get started with. Here's what you need to do. Step number 1. Go to the official ChatGPT site and click on Sign Up to create your OpenAI account. Step number 2. Once signed up, you can now start chatting with ChatGPT through the browser-based interface. Simply type what you'd like help with and hit Enter to send the message. And that's all you really need to get started having two-way conversational interactions with this revolutionary AI. There are also mobile apps and integration with apps like Discord where you can access ChatGPT. But the web browser works just fine and is universally accessible to everyone. Now let's go over some best practices when interacting with ChatGPT so you can really unleash its full potential. How to prompt ChatGPT effectively. Since ChatGPT relies completely on the context provided in your prompts, mastering a few key prompt best practices is crucial for guiding the AI to give you the most accurate and useful responses. Be specific. Clearly explain the task or question at hand, providing relevant context and constraints whenever possible. Bad prompt: write a Python program. Good prompt: write a 100-line Python script that sorts a list of names alphabetically. Ask follow-up questions. Chat with ChatGPT through multiple back-and-forth messages to clarify or expand on any aspect of its responses. Bad stopping point: thanks. Good follow-up: can you explain why you chose to use a bubble sort algorithm? Set the tone. Adopt a friendly, patient, and constructive tone in your messages to encourage productive dialogue. Bad tone: this code doesn't work, you stupid AI. Fix it. Good tone: I'm getting an error when running the code you provided. Could you please take a look and help me troubleshoot what might be going wrong? Adhering to best practices takes some practice, but makes an incredible difference in the usefulness and accuracy of ChatGPT's responses. Okay, we now know the basics of what ChatGPT is and how to interact with it effectively. Let's jump right in and put what we've learned into action by building something cool. ChatGPT makes coding super easy even if you're a complete beginner. This video will teach you step by step how to use ChatGPT to write real code and build programs. Step number 1. Explain your programming goal to ChatGPT. The first step is to tell ChatGPT in simple terms what you want to code. Here is an example. Ask ChatGPT, I want to code a basic calculator program in Python that adds, subtracts, multiplies, and divides numbers entered by the user. Can you help me? Explain it conversationally, just like that. Use simple language focused on your goal. Step number 2. Ask ChatGPT to provide starter code that achieves your programming goal. Ask ChatGPT, can you provide starter Python code for the calculator program I described? Please add comments explaining each part. ChatGPT will provide code with comments that give you a head start. If it doesn't add all features you asked for, be specific in asking for missing pieces. Step number 3. Run the starter code. Take the code ChatGPT gives and save it in a file named calculator.py. Open your command prompt/terminal and navigate into the folder with your code and run. This executes your program so you can see it working and make changes as needed in next steps. Step number 4. Make edits and improvements. Review the code and output. Are you getting your desired functionality? If anything is missing or confusing, ask ChatGPT. Please explain the provided code more and give suggestions for adding a divide feature. Use ChatGPT to clarify the starter code and help add tweaks like missing features. Rerun code each time to check. Step number 5. Repeat and expand. Keep repeating process to turn your small starter program into a more impressive and useful program. ChatGPT will guide your learning through each incremental improvement. This simple yet powerful process allows anyone to code real programs with ChatGPT's assistance, even as a complete beginner. Start coding today. At this point, you should have a solid grasp of ChatGPT's core capabilities, best practices for interacting with the AI, and even have gotten hands-on experience building your very first app completely from scratch. In just a moment, I'll provide some key takeaways and parting thoughts. But first, it's important I reiterate this one critical point. ChatGPT eliminates excuses and unlocks infinite possibilities. For many people, lack of time, lack of technical skills, or lack of creative ideas have always been barriers to building cool software projects and products. But AI like ChatGPT smashes through those barriers completely. You now have a virtual teacher, mentor, and collaborator all wrapped into one, available 24/7 to provide the creative ideas, technical guidance, and productivity boost you always wished for. Already, people are using ChatGPT to get expert coding help and debug programs faster, brainstorm startup ideas and get feedback in seconds, outline entire blog posts which they then expand on and automate social media scheduling and content writing, analyze data and surface key business insights and compose music and write lyrics for new songs. And that's just scratching the surface. Whatever ideas have been stirring in your mind, whatever projects you've been wanting to experiment with, you now have the ultimate assistant at your fingertips, ready to help make it happen. No experience or technical skills needed. Just bring the vision and human creativity while leaning on ChatGPT to handle the heavy lifting. So start brainstorming your next big idea today. We covered how anyone can use AI tools like ChatGPT to easily build real, working apps and programs themselves with zero experience required. Make sure to subscribe to 10x Your Income for more ways AI can help bring your ideas to life.